Presentation. Today we're going to be talking about Marketo.
My name is Caleb.
My name's Taylor.
My name's Sophia.
Wesley Walsh.
And I'm Molly.
All right, to begin, let's explain what Marketo is. So it is an Adobe product that's meant for businesses, and it creates a central management platform in order to work on the multiple functions of a marketing campaign. This can be used to gather online data on target markets and apply them to live events, which is really its main benefit by applying it to live events with the online data. And that benefits you through every single touch point through those events that you're hosting. It also connects marketers with the sales team in order to promote a cohesive campaign effort that makes sense and has a consistent message. Some industry trends that are currently going on in the marketing industry include experiential marketing, which is basically event-based marketing. This puts the consumers directly in the experience of the brand, which is perfect for Marketo. As before stated, it connects the online data with an in-person event. It also utilizes technology for globalization of data in order to connect brands to more people around the world through online information.
So what Marketo is meant for, what it does, it attracts and converts prospects. So it's data-driven engagement, helps get prospects' attention, and it delivers a personalized, well-orchestrated experience to earn buyer engagement and trust. Secondly, it grows customer relationships through extend outreach through channels of email, websites, paid media, social media, events, and a lot more. It provides the ability to communicate consistently across broad range of traditional and emerging methods. And it's personalized towards your audience to create more engagement for a better relationship. Third, it measures and optimize marketing programs. So you get the data with ease and able to build reporting. It has visualizing and measure aspects to it, whether for customer life cycle and analytics, performances. And lastly, it focuses sales on different prospects. Digital sales playbooks, it has multi-channel engagement tools, it delivers more coordinated and personalized experiences. And with it, there's a 38% increased win rate, a 36% higher customer retention rate, and a 19% faster revenue growth when sales and marketing teams are closely aligned. How Marketo does that. And event planners can use Marketo it's mainly for the usage of sales and marketing, but event planners can use it to market their event. They can run reports and analysis to engage prospects. It's centered towards impressing customers with compelling content that exceeds their expectations. It's personalized based on knowing customers, and they're able to host all program assets inside Design Studio, making them readily available to multiple programs. And they are also able to create personalized websites.
Cool. So some creative ways to use Marketo include promoting a product or an event. It's really effective for using in our technology-based society right now, as everyone knows. It works really good for blending marketing, sales, and service. So it's cool that you get to have all those in one place, not like a bunch of different websites or softwares for that. And also frontline interactions to make real life connections, which is really important with events and trade shows and meetings. It's really easy to use, and the pricing and packaging features. And also they have marketing automation features. So a lot of creative ways to use Marketo.
Okay, let's talk about the history. So this company basically originated from 3 employees working at Epiphany. Epiphany never became an established company, but it was also kind of like a starter up marketing oriented type of software company. Phil, John, and David, they left the company to establish Marketo in 2006. They started their runoff with 3 products. The first one came out in 2008, was a lead management product. The second one is a sales insight product in 2009. And the third one was a 2010 product, which reviewed revenue cycle. They established it because they wanted to create something that demonstrated revenue returns from marketing, something that was more analytical and that understood the marketing aspect to that degree. But once the company became successful, they started to grow and expand their business and to become something much more than that. So later on, they had a lot of acquisitions of other various marketing companies from 2012 to 2018. Eventually in 2018, they were bought by Adobe for 4.75 billion. So yeah, it really grew into one big company. And for the competitors, every competitor has their own unique take when they have something to offer. HubSpot is kind of the established developing marketing and software for products. Its revenue is over 883 million yearly, which is pretty high. It's very popular. And I would say it's probably the biggest competitor, and then there's a lot of side competitors like SharpSpring. It offers more of an affordable program that's more simple and automated. And there's Keep for email marketing too. So there's that as well.
All right, so for the pricing and packaging, there are 4 main packages that they offer. The first one is called Select, starting at $895. This is the basic package that they give to most of their companies. If you want to pay a little bit more, you got $17.95. Obviously, as each level goes up, you get more services that you can interact with. Ultimate is $3,175, and it's the second highest package. So Enterprise is the highest package, and they don't really have a number for it, but I did some research, and they normally say it's about $5,000 to $6,000, and this is all annually as well, monthly as well. So each month you have to pay this. So yeah, this is a lot of money to be investing, but for the benefits of Marketo, I'd say it's honestly worth it. So these are some snapshots of what it looks like in the program. It has paid media capabilities, which are able to target their people's audiences and to search for potential leads. Marketo Engage has tools for showing actions customers have taken and analyzes them. This can be on social media or on websites and stuff like that. They have the capabilities to track all the analytics. They also have a lifecycle modeler, which shows your clients going through their funnel, gives you tools of their journey and what they're doing and how they're actively interacting with all of your campaigns. The account-based marketing profile automates contracts and prioritizes your leads. So some leads will have a higher priority if they're more likely to engage, and it'll give you a rating on that. You can make a personalized website that suits your customers' needs. It's a pretty easy. You can make it on your own and code it yourself, or you can drop in templates and drop in your own information there. For emailing, you can run A/B tests, which you can show to a sample of clients and basically test on a certain attribute that you want to see will work better in different variations. So for the event and webinar section, these are some notes I took from the little demo. The marketing and sales team worked very closely together where each side is transparent, and so you can be on the same page with their goals. This platform could be used by all users. You can be very advanced coder and use this website, or you can be a very beginner like college student and still have a lot of insights into what Marketo can use. It's one of the most powerful tools for events and webinars. You can get your emails out in a timely manner and also interact with your providers and any vendors that you have on one platform. By syncing your event providers, you can keep all of your goals in one place and see the timeline and scheduling of your event. This tool is an all-in-one marketer. It does events, email, social, web tracking, setup. It's all-in-one, and honestly, it's a very powerful tool for any business.
Tell what's really working and what isn't. With so many marketing technology solutions available, how do you choose the right one for your business today and not outgrow it tomorrow? Marketo is a complete lead generation and management solution that helps you attract the right prospects, engage them to build relationships, close more sales opportunities, then measure and ultimately prove the impact of marketing on the business. To attract more of the right visitors to your website, Marketo offers search engine optimization that scores each of your web pages and recommends ways to appear higher in search results. When people visit your site, Marketo personalizes content based on their industry, company size, and more, even if they're anonymous, to immediately engage visitors and drive more conversions. Want to get more out of your existing content? Marketo finds the assets buried across your website and recommends the right content to the right person using predictive intelligence. When an anonymous visitor leaves your site and goes to another website, Marketo helps pull them back with a personalized ad by sharing their company details with popular ad networks like Google or Facebook. To capture incoming leads, create customized landing pages with the easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor. From desktop to mobile, the pages are responsive for accurate display, regardless of screen type. Now that you've attracted new prospects, engage them with Marketo's easy-to-use yet powerful email marketing solution. If you can use a word processor, you can create targeted email campaigns in minutes. Or take advantage of Marketo's library of templates to effortlessly send personalized content, from text to images, that looks great on any device. Target your campaigns to the right prospects with Marketo's Audience Hub, which tracks lead activities across your marketing channels and can be tightly integrated with your CRM system. Just drag and drop your filters to create a targeted audience instantly. Do you run a lot of webinars or events? With Marketo, just create an event once and then clone it to save time. Update the details in a single place, and now all of your assets are ready to go. Plus, Marketo can integrate with leading webinar providers for a completely automated solution. When you're on the go, you can see campaign performance and make changes to upcoming campaigns right from your mobile device. With long sales cycles, you need to keep people engaged. Marketo helps you create individual conversations at scale with powerful nurturing capabilities that are incredibly easy to use. Simply drag and drop content, and Marketo will deliver it intelligently to each person. When your content is time sensitive, just set the time frame you want it to be active. As your audience engages, Marketo adapts the conversation for each person automatically to help them through their buyer journey. And with Marketo, you can extend your nurturing across other channels to engage prospects where they spend their time. Finally, to stay coordinated, you can see and control all of your campaigns from an interactive calendar. Now that you've engaged prospects, you'll need to partner with sales to close them. Marketo takes the guesswork out of when to pass leads to sales by scoring each lead on demographic and behavioral criteria that's customized for your business. Sales reps can now spend their time on quality leads that are win-ready and get a prioritized list right in their CRM system or even their browser. If you use Salesforce CRM, your reps can access these hot leads through the Salesforce One mobile application so they can respond quickly while on the go. As sales closes new customers, Marketo helps you measure marketing's performance and impact on revenue with highly visual analytics. Marketo can show you each marketing activity that influenced a deal, so you can prove marketing's contribution to revenue and credit the right portion of revenue to each activity. Across all of your deals, you can now see what's really working and what's not. With the ability to map out the stages of your buyer journey, you're able to see how leads are progressing from one stage to the next, so you can focus your efforts and keep leads moving forward. This is how Marketo helps you.
All right, and that is our little deep dive into Marketo. Thank you for listening. Really, really appreciate it. Thank you.